Our school, St. Paul's Convent School, organized various online competitions.
Now I speak the rhyme. We are Indians. We are Indians. We are Indians. Bold and free. So, I will tell you slogan of सरदार भगत सिंह। सिर्फ खुशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। माय नेम बोलने के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। सरफिरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है दूर कितना बाजू में का दिन में है। इंसाफ जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद। रोशनी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है दूर कितना बाजू में का दिन में है। इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद।
यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग। यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने ऊपर है। नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश गीला देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला।
तथा और सफलता कभी अंतिम नहीं होती, इसलिए अपनी कोशिश को तब तक जारी रखें जब तक आपकी जीत इतिहास न बन जाए। हम भारतीय हैं पहले और अंत में। जय हिंद। I am going to give you some messages for you. Eat healthy, stay healthy, save water, green India, clean India. Do my country. India is my country. It is very, very beautiful. It is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. Forest Wagi, Forest Wagi.
I love
I love India. On account of Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. Every year on this day, we got independence from British rule. फिरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। Thank you. To tell about Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August of every year. It is a national day. This day we remember the great struggle of freedom. Every year on Independence Day, the Prime Minister of the country hoists the flag on the red fort. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you and have a nice day. हम फिदा या तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। India celebrates its Independence Day on 15th August. मातरम, वंदे मातरम। चंद्रशेखर आजाद। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। मैं हूँ चंद्रशेखर आजाद। मेरे पिता का नाम स्वाधीन था और जेल मेरा घर। कुछ लोग मुझे पंडित जी के नाम से बुलाते हैं क्योंकि मेरा जन्म पंडित परिवार में हुआ था।
Today, I'm going to say something about Sardar Bhagat Singh, who was one of the iconic freedom fighters who took part in the Indian freedom struggle. Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907 at Khatkarkala, a village in Punjab. His father's name was Kishan Singh and mother's name was Vidyavati.
Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is one of the most influential and iconic leader in the history of India and mankind. He is known as the father of nation. He is also known as the architect of non-violent campaigns, which later inspired and influenced the whole world.
Today I'm going to speak about Shaheed Bhagat Singh, born on 23rd September 1907 in Punjab. A freedom fighter, he was considered to be one of the most famous revolutionaries of the Indian independence movement. For this reason, he is often referred to as Shaheed.
My song name is Mitti. तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके सर पे हमने केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे, तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे।
Few lines on the topic Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a young Indian revolutionary who is known as Shaheed Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born on 27 September 1907 in a Sikh family in Raipur district of Punjab. His father Kishan Singh was freedom fighter and mother Vidyavati was housewife. He is an expert reading and writing Hindi, Urdu, English, Punjabi, Gurmukhi at very early age. He is one of the youngest freedom fighters who sacrificed.
In a gentle way, we can shake the world. An inspiring quote by our beloved Bapu. A very happy morning to all of you. Today myself Kunkardeep from class 5th green from St. Paul Convent School, Dasua, is standing here to express my gratitude towards our hero Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the father of nation.
I'm going to speak a topic on Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is counted in one of the freedom fighters. He was born in 23 of January in 1897. He was a brilliant student. His father's name was Janakinath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhavati Devi. After the earlier study in Cuttack,
the most awaited day for us because the school has given us this opportunity to express our feelings about the key heroes of our freedom from the British rule in 1947. Today, we freely move around in our country without anyone questioning us, and we feel satisfied and happy. But
Very privileged morning to everybody. Myself, Ashmeet Kaur from Standard 8th Red, is safe and secure at my home due to this COVID-19.
मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद।
good morning to all of you. Today, I, Smiledeep Parpannu of Standard 6 Blue, is present here to deliver a short speech on the great leader of our country, Mahatma Gandhi. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Good morning, everyone.
Today myself, Jasmine Sahota of Standard 8th grade is going to express my ideas on the topic conditions necessary for the success of democracy. Democracy is the form of government in which people have the authority to choose their governing legislation.
जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन 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 मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे